As a small team, we recognize the challenges of organizing and managing our own work. Sometimes, the big picture gets lost in the day-to-day tasks, and often those daily tasks get lost too. That's one of the reasons we started Cascadin. Cascadin is a simple tool to help you organize, giving you the chance to focus on what matters most, whatever that may be. Organize your work by breaking your big projects into easy-to-manage tasks. Set reminders to help you stay on track. If you have a team, communicate on your work outside of the inbox. Quickly record your to-do list so that you don't lose track. Think about the big picture and the tasks you need to do to get you there. We invite you to try it for free for 30 days to see how you organize to thrive.